Let's talk about the invisible rules that stop catastrophic electrical failures before they even start. So picture this. Equipment passes every single test, only to just silently fail months later. So what's behind these mysterious failures? Well, we have two main suspects. Meet creepage and clearance, two different ways electricity tries to escape where it really shouldn't. Think of creepage as the long, winding road electricity has to travel over a surface. Then there's clearance. That's the direct shortcut, a spark jumping straight through the air. But here's the kicker. The environment can act as an accomplice, totally changing the rules. See, stuff like salt and dust creates a perfect little highway for electricity to travel along. And it's not just grime on the surface. Nope. The air itself is a huge factor. Up there, the air is thinner, so it's way easier for a spark to just jump the gap. Yeah, at 3,000 meters, you need almost 25% more distance just to stay safe. So let's look at 3 mistakes designers make that lead to these exact kinds of failures.
Using a design meant for the coast in a mountain region is pretty much a recipe for disaster.
And look at that, a tiny 3 millimeter difference is all that separates safe from sorry. And once it's installed, you can't just add more air. Fixing this is an absolute nightmare. A part designed for a clean room is not going to survive inside a dusty cement plant. And yep, this exact oversight, it caused a real-world failure in just over a year. The takeaway here, you have to be explicit. Spell out the actual conditions in the spec. So how do you get more safety distance without making everything gigantic? Well, it's a clever trick. By adding ribs, you force the electricity to take a much longer and much safer path. And this is the main point. With high voltage, close enough just doesn't cut it. It's totally binary. Either you meet the standard or it will fail. It's just a matter of when. Kind of makes you wonder, right? What other invisible engineering is silently protecting us every single day?